Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today I am at the grand launch of the all-new Redmi Note 8 Pro. So this is how the Note 8 Pro looks like, and today the Redmi Note 8 has also been launched. So in this video we're gonna see a quick look of the Redmi Note 8 Pro firstly. Also, we'll be putting a separate video for the Note 8. So friends, this is the all-new Redmi Note 8 Pro in front of you. This is the halo white color, which looks stunning, and the other new color which has been introduced is the gamma green. Both the new colors are really nice, and other than that there are two more colors, which is blue and the black one. So this phone is a good combination of design, performance, camera, everything in one, and at the same time launched in a very budget pricing, like worth pricing, you can say. So this particular color, the halo white color, is really in trend, and the green also is these days launched by many other brands. So let's just talk about the design firstly. So the first thing which I want to highlight is that this phone is the only phone currently available which has a Corning Gorilla Glass protection 5 on both sides actually, which adds a lot to the durability of the phone, and the hand feel of the phone is really nice because it is not just 2.5D curved glass, it is a 4D curved glass from all sides. So while you're holding the phone normally while talking or you're playing games, it is really comfortable to hold. And at the back you have this amazing quad camera beast, because it's known as the 64 MP quad camera beast. We'll see the camera in detail later. Other than that, let's talk about few other things, like this is the first phone which is Alexa enabled, again some new thing, and the display is Aura design, which is a 6.53 inches dot not display, full HD plus 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and above 91% of screen to body ratio. So let's talk about the performance part. This phone has such a great performance to give you that 64 MP quad camera support, and also high-end gaming along with good power backup. So you have various variants also available, which is a 6 GB, 64 GB plus 6 plus 128 and 8 plus 128. And here you have a new processor, which is a high performance Helio G90T, which has an Antutu score of 2,84,872, which is higher than the normal Snapdragon 710, 712, also 675 and 665. So it is really good, the Antutu score. And currently it has Android version 9 and the MIUI version 10.4.2, but surely in a few days only you will get the MIUI version 11 also here. And the battery is 4500 mAh battery, high capacity battery, with a 18-watt fast charger in the box. Yes guys, you heard me right, the 18-watt fast charger is in the box this time, so no worries charging your phone. 4500 battery is quite good. Then also want to mention few other things, like this phone has liquid cooling, which makes your the temperature of your phone cool down when you play long duration gaming. And this is actually a premium level feature which has been put into a budget range phone, in a mid budget range phone you can say. And then also this phone has one other new thing, which is the Wi-Fi X antenna, which enables your Wi-Fi to work properly when you are actually holding it like this while playing games and as well. So overall the performance part looks really promising. Now let's jump to the camera part, because Note cameras are really nice, and this time this is the world's first phone to have a quad camera setup with a 64 megapixel of lens. So firstly, let's understand how the camera setup works like. So there is a primary lens, which is 64 megapixel, ultra high resolution 1.6 4-in-1 pixel technology. Then there is the other lens, which is a depth sensor, 2 megapixel with a 1.75 UM. And then there is an ultra wide angle lens with a 120 degree of field of view, a 1.12 which is an 8 megapixel sensor. And here you get another, last but not the least, a macro lens of 2 megapixel, which allows up to 2 centimeter of autofocus. So the things which you cannot see by naked eyes, you can see here and click them and enjoy the details of things. So this is how the camera interface looks like, and this is photo, 64 MP, portrait, night. The night mode is really promising because you know, you can take photos in really low light, and the output is very good. Then videos, you can shoot up to 4K. Also very good thing, which is a macro videography also you can do with the macro lens. Now, last but not the least, let's jump to the front camera, which is also very important because we all are selfie addicts. So the front camera has been upgraded to 20 megapixel, guys, and here you have all the relatable options of front camera with beauty, AI portrait, palm shutter and everything. So let's just check out some selfies which I just tried to click. So this was in a very you know, high radiation light. This is green lighting, but the facial features are not blurred at all. This is a back camera shot. The colors look really vibrant with and the brightness is 500 nits, so it looks very good. HDR enabled technology display. So overall, the phone looks really worth the price with all the features. So friends, this was a very quick look of the Redmi Note 8 Pro, and as it's the Pro version, it has been directly launched from a 6GB variant. So you get a 6 plus 64GB variant only in rupees 14,999. So this kind of pricing, which with this RAM-ROM is actually first time. And then the other variant is 6 plus 128GB, which is 15,999. And last but not the least, the highest variant is 8 plus 128GB for 17,999, and it will be soon available from 21st of October, which is next week itself. So this Diwali, if you were planning to buy something in this budget segment, you can surely go for the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So that's it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech bite. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Nothing Wired.